You know what you want. You get the exact thing to your tech developer, so they don't have to put a buffer amount just in case you ask for more, so they don't go in losses. When developing the technology for your startup, many times people make a mistake of first going to the tech developer, asking them, this is what I want and I want everything under the sun. And then they realize, oh, this looks bad. And then they tell them to change and change and change. And what happens is the tech developer is going to charge you more for the changes. It's going to take longer. And you're going to get upset that why are you charging more? This is the same project. I'm just making small adjustments. And it ends up like you spend money and time and you don't get what you want. And both you and the tech developer gets frustrated. So here's the right way to do it. First, when you think of a problem that you're solving with your startup, come up with a flow. Who is my audience? What's the first thing I want them to do on my app or website? And blah, blah, blah. You kind of build it up. Build up the user flow, as it's called. Once you build up the user flow, then get a UI UX person. A UI UX stands for user interface and user experience. Somebody who has understanding of fonts, colors, and psychology of what makes people click, what makes people purchase things. So a UI UX person is not cheapest, but that person can create an experience for your app or website that is equivalent to having 1,000 salespeople, right? So get a UI UX person to develop your screens for your app or the pages for your website first. There are enough softwares where you can actually simulate by clicking on different buttons and different things and see what the next page looks like and how the flow is. Is this what you want? And what happens is no coding is done yet. And you can change very, very quickly. Within 30 seconds, you can suggest changes and your designer can change those for you till you finally get something you like. Then you show it to a sample audience of, let's say, 20 people. Throw a pizza party, right? Invite some of your target audiences to come. Look at the website or the app UI, user interface, and give their feedback. Tell them to click, 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 and see how they react without your help. Are they clicking where you want them to click? Are they going through the journey the way you envisioned? If not, make changes. Record the situation, right? Make changes. It might take you a month to 45 days to get the right designs. Once you got it, now you know what you want. Take that and give it to 4 or 5 tech developers for a quotation and see who gives you the best quote. By this process, what will happen is you know what you want. You get the exact thing to your tech developer, so they don't have to put a buffer amount just in case you ask for more, so they don't go in losses. So you give that exactly what you want user interface to your tech developers. They give you exact quote and timeline, and based on that, from multiple quotes, you select the right developers and let them develop it, right? So no changes on the coding side, which is time consuming and cost consuming. Rather, the changes happen on the design side. So first is you do the ideation, do the market research, do the UI UX, then the tech development, then you launch, right? That's the process of digital product development.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, you can use the number in the description to book your meeting or mentorship. Just call or DM on WhatsApp to book your slot.